Hello, it's great to see you today because I have so many things for you today. Look, I've got black earrings, black shirt. I have so many black things. Black smartphone on the whiteboard, and I've got this ball. Oh, this ball is black. Somewhere this is black, but is this black too? No, this is black. My earring is black. My t-shirt is black. But this color, this is gray. So this ball is black and gray. What else is gray? Let's see. Oh, hello, Mr. Penguin. Mr. Penguin is gray. Gray. Right? Gray. But Mr. Penguin's got red scarf. Okay, here we have gray and heart is red, right? Yes, and an apple is red too. Mr. Penguin's scarf is red. Okay, what else is red? Let's see. Hello, Angry Bird. Angry Bird is red, right? Do you like red? I like red color. Red. 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 So many red things today, right? Okay, but Angry Bird has got black eyebrows. Black. And yellow pig. Ah, so great, right? What else is yellow? Yellow pig. Yellow sun, right? Yellow marker. Yes. Okay. Yellow tape. Right? Yellow sun. Yellow. Just a moment. Yellow. So many yellow stuff here. Next thing is blue. This cup is blue. Blue, right? What else is blue? I've got something. Oh, here's the bag. My bag is blue too. Blue bag. Anything else? Blue bracelet. I love blue. Do you like blue? So blue. So many blue things over here. Now I can take my bag, my blue bag, and go. But I won't go now. We have so many colors, so many more colors to do. Okay, now my shirt is black, and this weight is black too. Look at this. It's so heavy. And black, right? Black. Ball is black and gray. Penguin is gray and red. Angry Bird is red, black, and yellow. Ah, marker is yellow. The cup is blue. The bag is blue. And our next color is purple. This nail polish is purple. Purple. This cup is purple here. I like purple. And I like another color, which is pink. Do you like pink? I like pink so much. Okay, this is pink. And this small weight is pink too, right? This weight is light, but black weight is so heavy. Oh my God, let's leave weights for now. Okay, and here's pink on the whiteboard. Pink. Can you see pink? Thank you. Great job. Now let's see what other colors do we have. Oh, look at this. What is this? It's a chocolate cake. Mmm, yummy. I love chocolate cakes. What color is this cake? Is it black? Is it pink? Not really. Is it green? What's green? No. The chocolate cake is brown. Brown. Can you say brown? Brown. Excellent. Chocolate cake is brown and chocolate is brown too. Chocolate is brown. Chocolate cake is brown. Yummy. Okay. And next color is white. White. Like the white board. White. Okay. Milk is white. Yes. Milk is white. And this part of the bag is white. And this over here is white too. White, blue, white. Right? Let's say blue, white. Excellent. Black. Congratulations. Okay. Let's see what colors we got here. Okay. Oh, have we done greens? Sorry. Let's see. White, blue, green. Ah, what's green? This is green. This marker is green. And this plant is green. Green. Right? Green. And here's green on the whiteboard. Green. 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 That's green. Okay. What other colors do we have over here? Okay. Red. Can you say red? Mm-hmm. Yellow. Yellow. Like Angry Birds. Beak is yellow. This is yellow. Okay. Yellow and black. Finally, black. And we have more colors. For example, we've got orange. What is orange? This marker is orange. Orange is orange, right? Okay, so many orange things. And orange is orange. Okay. And what have we haven't done today? Yes, we can say that this necklace is silver. This color is silver. And this is golden. Golden. Okay? Let's revise colors now. Okay, let's see. Golden. Silver. Okay. Yellow. Red. Green. Orange. Pink. Blue. Purple. Gray. Brown. Black. So many colors. Thank you so much for being such great students today. And I hope you remember colors. Let's revise them once more. Golden, silver. What color is this? This is red. Red. Excellent. What color is this? This is green, green. Excellent. Okay. What color is the bag? What color are the bag and my bracelet? Those are blue. Blue. Okay. What color is small weight? Small weight is pink. Pink. What color is big weight? Oh, big weight is black. Black. What color is the ball? The ball is black and gray. Okay? Okay. And what color is nail polish? Nail polish is purple. Can you say purple? Excellent, thanks. Okay, now let's go outside. Let's play ball. And if you have any questions at all, you can send me an email or you can post your comment on the links below on the blog, for example. Let's go outside and play ball for now. Thank you so much for being here today, for learning English with me. Hope to see you again, and goodbye now.